kirtan ganana.
People are mad after nationalism and fighting. One nation is fighting with another. These rascals do not know that why they are fighting. The land belongs to God. So when people become Krishna conscious, this nonsense fighting will stop. Otherwise there is no possibility. Otherwise it is not possible. They are trying to stop fighting by the so-called League of Nations or United Nations. They are disunited. On principle they are disunited. So many hundreds of flags. How they can be united? They can be united in Krishna consciousness. When they will be really learned, Pandita Samadarshina, Pandita, when one is learned, just like we are Samadarshina. We don't discriminate American, Indian, African, these. We distribute Krishna consciousness to everyone. Because we know everyone is part and parcel of Krishna. Everyone is son of Krishna. They are suffering on account of this material contamination. Let us do something for them. This is what. This is Krishna.